and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Clicks Kitchen. And if you are new to this channel, I am Oma Click. You are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thanks for tuning in. On today's video, I'll be sharing how to make meat pepper soup. Okay, if you're really interested, please stick around. Alright. So for this recipe, I'll be needing some cow intestine, I just got this out from the freezer, and I will be needing some veggies. Over here I have curry leaf and scent leaf, and also I'll be needing some spices. Over here I have my lasso pepper soup spice, ginger and garlic, calabash nuts, my seasoning cube, and I'll also be needing onion, this big size onion, and also I'll be needing some fresh peppers. I'm gonna go ahead to start prepping for this recipe. First of all, I'll start by taking out vegetables from their stalk. This is my scent leaf and my curry leaf. I'll take out these leaves from their stalk, and I will also go ahead to prep them, wash them properly with some salt and water. And I also go ahead to wash my curry leaf with water and some salt. And I'll go ahead to dice this my scent leaf. Okay, so over here I have my calabash nuts. So I'll go ahead to remove this nut from its shell. I only need the one that is inside. I don't need this shell. And I'll grind it and set it aside. So over here I have my seasoning cube, my spices, the local spice and salt. Okay, so I'll go ahead to prep my pepper, prep my ginger and garlic and my onion. I'll wash them properly, and I'll blend my ginger, garlic and some onions and pepper together. So for a start, I have to first of all preheat this meat to remove bad odor. You know, you got this meat from market and it always come along with some bad odor that I'm sure you wouldn't like to taste in your pepper soup. Okay, so I'll go ahead to turn on my cooking gas and start preheating. Okay, till it brings out little water before I have to go ahead to strain out this water and wash it properly and add it back into my cooking pot and start cooking. Okay, so then I'll go in with my onion and my salt. Okay, and give this a quick stir and allows this to brings out little water. Okay. Then I have to go in with some water that will cook this meat. Okay, I'm going to add enough water that is going to cook this meat. Enough water that can cook this meat, and I have to cover this up to cook for some time. Okay, so at this point I have to check back, and by this time this meat is soft. I went in with my cooking spoon and this meat is already soft. So guys, I have to go in with my ingredients. I will first of all go in with my ginger, garlic, pepper, mix, grinded together. Okay, then I have to go in with my calabash nuts, grinded calabash nuts, and I have to add my seasoning cube and my pepper soup spice and cover this up to cook for some time. So I have to go in with my vegetables, my curry leaf and my scent leaf. Okay, and also cover it up to cook for some time. And guys, pepper soup is ready. And if you're watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye. Enjoy.